Want a stronger heart and a better life? It might be as simple as changing what you drink. Today, we're diving into the top 5 drinks that can give your cardiovascular system a major boost. Stick around, because you won't want to miss these delicious and easy ways to protect your heart. First up, let's talk about matcha tea. This vibrant green powder is more than just a trendy latte ingredient. It's packed with a powerful antioxidant called EGCG, which is fantastic for your heart. Studies have shown that EGCG can help reduce bad cholesterol and prevent plaque buildup in your arteries. Just 1 cup a day can make a significant difference. It's a simple swap for your regular tea or coffee, and your heart will thank you for it. Next on our list is something you might find in your pantry: unsalted tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that gives them their red color. Research suggests that lycopene can help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation, both of which are key factors in heart disease. When you choose tomato juice, make sure it's unsalted to keep your sodium intake in check. It's a savory and satisfying way to support your cardiovascular health. Number 3 is a fun one: heart-healthy smoothies. A well-made smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients. For a heart-protective blend, I recommend using a base of berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. These are loaded with antioxidants and fiber. Then, toss in a handful of spinach. Don't worry, you won't even taste it. Spinach adds essential vitamins and minerals without a lot of calories. Blend it all with some Greek yogurt or a splash of almond milk for a creamy, delicious, and incredibly healthy treat. Coming in at number 4 is pomegranate juice. This jewel-toned drink is another antioxidant champion. The specific antioxidants in pomegranates are believed to help improve blood flow and keep your arteries flexible and healthy, which can prevent them from narrowing, a condition known as atherosclerosis. A small glass of pure unsweetened pomegranate juice each day can be a powerful addition to your heart-healthy diet. It's sweet, a little tart, and absolutely fantastic for you. And finally, for all the coffee lovers out there, I have some great news. Moderate coffee consumption is linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and heart failure. The key here is moderate, which usually means about 3 to 4 cups a day. Coffee contains beneficial compounds that can reduce inflammation and improve the function of your blood vessels. So go ahead and enjoy your morning cup of joe, guilt-free. Just be mindful of the added sugar and cream. As a bonus tip, let's not forget the simplest drink of all: water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including your heart. To make it more exciting, try infusing your water with slices of citrus fruits, like lemon, lime, or orange. This not only adds a refreshing flavor, but also a small dose of vitamin C and antioxidants. It's an easy way to encourage yourself to drink more water throughout the day. So there you have it: 5 simple and delicious drinks to help you build a stronger heart and live a better life. From matcha and tomato juice to smoothies and coffee, incorporating these into your daily routine is an easy step toward better cardiovascular health. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips. Let us know in the comments which of these drinks is your favorite, or if you have any other heart-healthy suggestions. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier you.